Over 60,000 fans, a dominant 6-0 performance, and an electric matchday atmosphere. This isn't just about football, it's about witnessing a stadium in transformation. From powerful chants and coordinated displays to massive construction progress happening all around, today's experience brings together both the energy of the game and the evolution of one of football's most iconic venues. The compression ring continues to dominate the structure visually, with its scale becoming more evident from a distance. New structural segments and scaffolding have been added recently, indicating ongoing expansion of the ring. Although activity varies by area, the overall system is steadily progressing and remains one of the most critical elements of the stadium's development. The third tier has reached an advanced stage of development, with most of its main framework already in place. Its overall structure is now clearly defined, indicating that major construction work is nearing completion. The next phases will focus on waterproofing, seating installation, and final adjustments to bring this section closer to full readiness. Interior zones show active work, including hammering, formwork adjustments, and structural refinements. These internal operations are essential for completing hidden but critical parts of the stadium. Interior circulation areas are operational, with open concourses enabling smooth movement between sections. Food and beverage services are available but limited, indicating that this area is only partially completed and will expand in later phases. In the goal sewer section, upper-level work is actively progressing. Scaffolding and slab panels now cover large portions of the top structure. Workers are visible operating on elevated platforms, focusing on internal corridors and structural elements that are not fully visible from ground level due to limited viewing angles. In the Goal Norte section, façade llama installation remains paused. Work is currently focused on upper structural elements, including beam treatment and preparation. Visible markings on beams suggest pending application of protective coatings before installation resumes. Workers on elevated platforms are actively engaged in tasks such as welding, alignment, and structural adjustments. Guidelines and positioning tools are visible, indicating precision work related to future installations. In central areas, workers are continuing anchor tightening and applying surface coatings. White material is being applied to beams, likely for protection or finishing purposes. Some sections still lack anchors, indicating ongoing phased installation. A substantial advancement has been made in anchor installation. Most anchor points in key sections are now fully installed, with only upper areas remaining incomplete. This marks a major milestone in preparing the structure for façade installation. Sandwich panel installation continues across structural cores. Newly placed panels are being fitted by teams of workers, while several lower and side sections still remain incomplete. This work is progressing steadily, but requires precise coordination due to panel weight. Black façade panels are being installed rapidly. Within a 24-hour period, significant progress has been made, with multiple sections completed and new ones reaching mid-installation. The pace of this work indicates an efficient and repeatable installation process. Ground-level work near the corner includes excavation and surface leveling. Heavy machinery is being used to raise and smooth the terrain, preparing the area for future structural or access developments. The lower tier in the Goal Norte is now fully accessible for evaluating viewing conditions. Visibility in the first few rows is heavily restricted due to pitch-side barriers and advertising boards blocking the view. This issue continues across the first 4 rows with limited sightlines. Across all zones, the project shows consistent progress in structural assembly, material preparation, and installation readiness. Key systems such as the compression ring, façade anchors, and core structures are advancing simultaneously, indicating a well-coordinated construction phase.